Welcome to Jumi Champs. Subscribe now.
Hello my cute little childrens. Today we are going to learn about some constructions, vehicles name. So my dear childrens, what is this? Crane. This is a crane. Say my childrens, what is this? Crane. This is a crane. Next one is forklift truck. This is a forklift truck. My children, repeat with me. Forklift truck. This is a forklift truck. Very good. Next one is tower crane. This is a tower crane. My children, tell me what is this? Tower crane. This is a tower crane. Very good. Next one is bucket truck. This is a bucket truck. My children, repeat with me. Bucket truck. This is a bucket truck. Superb. Next one is road roller. This is a road roller. My dear children, please repeat. Road roller. This is a road roller. Very good. Next one is tractor. This is a tractor. Children, repeat. Tractor. This is a tractor. Next one is backhoe. This is a backhoe. My dear children, tell me which vehicle is this? This is backhoe. Very good, children. Next one is bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. My cute little children, tell me what is this? Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Excellent. Next one is scissor lift truck. This is a scissor lift truck. My children, repeat it. Scissor lift truck. This is a scissor lift truck. Very good. My little children, next one is dump truck. This is a dump truck. Children, say with me. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Superb. My cuties, next one is drill truck. This is a drill truck. Say with me, my childrens. Drill truck. This is a drill truck. Very good. Next one is excavator. This is an excavator. Say with me. Excavator. This is an excavator. Excellent. Next one is cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. Children, repeat it. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. Superb. My children, next one is wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. My children, repeat it. Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. Superb. My children, next one is fuel truck. This is fuel truck. Repeat it, children. Fuel truck. This is a fuel truck. Superb. My children, next one is compactor. This is a compactor. Children, repeat with me. Compactor. This is a compactor. Very good. Okay, my dear children. Thank you for paying your attention. We will meet soon in our next video. Please repeat it at your home once. Take care of your family, your parents and yourself. Bye bye my children. Bye bye.